Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable internet speed meter in iPhone. So by default, iPhone doesn't provide us any options to see or enable internet speed meter. So we have to use a third-party app to enable internet speed meter. And now we will use this traffic monitor app. So all you have to need, go to your App Store and simply search for traffic monitor, and this is the actual app we are going to use. So all you have to need, install this traffic monitor app in your iPhone. Once the app successfully installed in your iPhone, you have to open the traffic monitor app and just tap on accept. And now we have to add internet speed meter widget. So here I'm tapping on this edit icon, and now tap on this plus icon, and here scroll down and search for traffic monitor widget. So all you have to need, from your iPhone home screen, swipe to the left side, and once you are in this widget section, tap on edit and tap on customize, and under add widgets, here you will find traffic monitor speed and traffic monitor usage. So we are going to add this traffic monitor speed, and here we can see it's added, and I'm tapping on done once more, and here we can see I've successfully added my internet speed meter in my iPhone. So now to check your internet speed, just from your iPhone home screen, swipe to the left side, and in this page here you will find your current internet speed. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.